Hello friends, I would like to welcome you all in Google Sketchup tutorial 3. Today we are going to cover the edit toolbar and view toolbar and some important things which are required for the drawing. Now go to the view option, then toolbar. From this option select the edit and then select the view toolbar and close. Here you can see these two toolbars. First one is view toolbar and second one is edit toolbar. So first we'll see the view toolbar. When while working you zoom in a lot or you are not able to come back to the original view, that time just simply press the ISO option. You will come back to the original position, that is red axis, green axis and blue axis. Then in case if you want to see, suppose I have drawn a rectangle in this ISO mode. Now I want to see this rectangle in top view. Then click on the top view option. Now here is the red axis and green axis, and you can see the rectangle from the top view. Like that way you can select the front view. So there is nothing in my front view, so I can be able to see a single black line here. And then you can see this is the red axis and this one is blue axis. Like this way you can see the right side view, then back view, and then this left view. This is the use of your view toolbar. Next is our edit toolbar. There are many tools available in edit toolbar. We'll see that one by one, and while doing this we'll see some important options. For better understanding of edit toolbar, we need to draw a rectangle of known dimensions. Now we'll draw a rectangle of 5, 7 meters. So this is now a rectangle of 5 by 7. Consider this as a room. Now what I will do, I will go to offset toolbar, select this rectangle edge, and now I will put the value of wall thickness. As we all know, the value of external wall thickness is 0.23 or 25. Enter. So I have taken the value of wall thickness 0.25. So this is my offset now. If we want to repeat the offset, then simply double click that value of 0.25 is stored into the system. We'll come back to its original position. Now select the push pull tool, select this wall, raise this wall up to 3 meters. As we all know, the height of the wall or floor to floor height of the building is 3 meters. This is our single room. Now we want to provide the door at the center of this wall. For this, we require the tape measurement tool. There is another use of tape measurement tool. It will give you the reference line. Select this tape measurement tool, come to this line, click on this line and drag it on blue axis and put the value of height of door 2.1, enter. So it will create a reference line at the height of 2.1. Now I want to mark the midpoint. Select this line, come to the midpoint of this line and click. Then I know now I know the width of my door is about 1 meter. Select the reference line, then drag the mouse cursor on green axis and put the value 0.5, enter. Then again do this on another side of the midline, 0.5, enter. So this the total height of this door is 1 meter. So total width, now the total width of this door is 1 meter. Take the rectangle tool, select this corner and select this corner. Once we complete the use of reference line, we'll select the eraser tool, hold the mouse left click, select these lines and erase it. Now this is our door. Take the push pull tool, select this plane and push it until the message appear on the screen, that is on face, and again click it. This way we can make the doors and windows in our drawing. I will make a window beside the door. Select the tape measurement tool, select this line, mark the sill level, that is 0.9, enter. Then again make a reference line with the help of previous reference line till the height of 2.1 meter. Suppose we want to provide some distance, 1 meter of distance from the door, one, enter. Then the width of our window is 1.2, enter. So this is the reference, these are the reference line for our window. Now select the rectangle tool, mark the rectangle, take the eraser tool, erase all these lines, then take push pull tool, push it back till the message appear on the screen, that on face. Now this is our window. With the help of this, we have understood the use of push pull tool, then offset and tape measurement tool. Suppose while working I want to rotate some block or some part of my drawing. At that time, go to the selection tool. Now I have selected this object, then click on the rotate tool, select the point about which you want to rotate your block or your drawing, then select any of the axis as your reference. That I'm selecting this green axis as my reference. Select this axis, then rotate your drawing till the line turns up into the red, green or again red. So I want to rotate my drawing at 90-degree angle. Here you can see the angle, or simply put the value 90, enter. It will rotate your drawing or your block, selected block, in 90 degrees. Suppose I want to rotate this drawing by 90 degree again. I will select the reference line, this red line as a reference line, then 90, enter. This is the use of rotate tool. Now suppose I want to rotate this block in vertical direction. At that time I will select the rotate tool, select any of the point, take the reference line and rotate it about 90 degrees. This is the use of rotate tool. After this edit toolbar, we will see some essential tools. That is, suppose I draw a rectangle here and a circle here. Now, if I want to select the circle, I will double click on it. If I want to select the rectangle, I will double click on it. If I want to select this surface, I will double click on it. But if in case I want to select this whole object, I will triple click on it. Then whole object will get selected. Now, suppose this is connected one. If I triple click on any of the objects, circle, rectangle or this object, it will select everything. The objects which are connected to each other, it will select everything. Now let's see the power of right click. If we select the object, right click on it, go to the soft slash smooth edges, then you can see one smoothening bar over here that is mentioned in 19.9 degrees. We'll select the smoothen coplanar, then we'll increase the degree of smoothness. As we increase the degree of smoothness, you can see our object is getting smoother and smoother, soft and smoother. Again, we'll select this, right click on it, go to this option, reduce the smoothness of coplanar. It will back to its position. Now, suppose I select this line and now I want to divide this line into multiple parts. Simply right click, go to the divide option. Now it is in your hand and how much segments you want to divide this line. Suppose I want to divide this line in two segments. I will simply type 2, enter. Either I will select this line, divide, and I will drag the mouse cursor. You can see the value for number of segments you have divided the line is here. Suppose I want to divide that line in number 4, then select the 4 and click. Now this is my first line, this is second line, third line and fourth line. By using this, you can draw some vertical lines. In the drawing, you can see that there are two colors, one is gray and one is white. If you want to convert this gray part into the white color, that time select the region, right click and simply click on reverse face. This is all about today's tutorial, friends. Now we'll meet in the next tutorial. Thank you.